Hey, you are a data entry freelancer either on Upwork or Fiverr or any platform. Your client comes and asks you to split their PDF documents into smaller parts. Then, how would you do that? Well, it's very easy. Before I share you my ideas and tricks to split the documents, let me share my experience. Just like you, I'm also a data entry freelancer on Upwork as well as Fiverr. And I've been helping one of the clients for a couple of months. There came a time when I had to split his PDF documents into smaller parts. So let's read out the messages we have here. He says, Vin, are you available to help me with some admin? I said, yes. Which docs? He says, I need your help to save a large PDF into smaller topical documents as PDF by the chapters. So now you must be wondering how I did, right? Let's see. Hi guys, thank you so much for landing here. Yes, in this video I'm gonna share and show you the best free online tool which you can easily use it to split your clients documents or your own personal office documents. So the tool which I'm going to share with you is 100% reliable, it's 100% effective, and let me tell you that it can save you hours and hours of your time. So the tool has a lot of features, so let's see what features are there and how you can actually use the tool. Wait, before I show you, if you are especially new here, then please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also make sure to click on bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new content in the future. And to inform you that I upload freelancing videos and also travel blogs. So just make sure to subscribe now. Now let's see the tool. Okay, let's see that tool. The name of the tool is I Love PDF. Okay, so you can also check down in the description box. I have just left you the link of this site, and now let's see how we can actually split PDF documents. So once you open this page, okay, once you land here, you'll see multiple features like merge PDF, okay, split PDF. You can also compress PDF, PDF to Word, and many features here. So this tool has a lot of features which we can easily utilize, and save our hours and hours of time. And let me tell you again that this tool is 100% free. Okay, so let's begin by splitting our PDF documents. So first of all, you can just go to this split PDF feature and just click on it. And before this, make sure that your PDF document is ready. Okay, so once this page opens, you can just click on select PDF file and it will redirect to your PC. Okay, so I have this PDF document. Okay, so let me open this one. Okay, the document has been already uploaded, and as you can see here, it consists of 170 pages. That's a lot, right? Okay, so let me just move this one here. On your right hand side, you can see, split by range, extract pages, and just below that you can see range mode. So you can choose any of the option, okay, which you are comfortable with. So we have custom ranges and fixed ranges. So right now let me choose the custom ranges, So if I choose the custom ranges, then I can split my PDF document as I wish. So we have range 1, okay, and it says from page to dash dash. Okay, so let me, okay, I want to split my document from page number 1 to let's say, okay, 5, up to page number 5. And I can also add ranges, okay, so okay, from 6 to, let's say, 10. Again, if you want some more documents to be splitted, you can again just tap on this add range button, and you can just enter the page number, okay, the specific page number according to your according to your wish. And just let me choose 15, okay, page number 15 to, okay, let's say 30. So likewise, you can just keep on adding the ranges if you wish, but make sure that you don't cross the maximum page number. So once you are ready, what you can do is we also have this option, okay, it says merge all ranges in one PDF file. So I'm not gonna choose this option, so we can just skip this one and directly go to split PDF button. Okay, once you are ready, you can just hit on split PDF button, and okay, it's processing, I mean it's splitting, okay, and just wait for a couple of seconds, and it's almost ready. So this tool is very useful if you are especially a data entry freelancer. So you can easily use this tool and split your client's PDF documents. Okay, so yeah, you can either click on download split PDF, or it's splitting the document automatically, and it will ask me to say choose the specific location to save the file. Okay, so you can just name it anything. Okay, let me type splitted, and you can just choose these options, okay, and okay, let me go with this one right now and just save it. And then once the download is completed, you can go to the location where you have saved your PDF documents, okay, and just view it. So once your PDF documents are downloaded, you can check it, and just let me know in the comments how you found this tool. And yes, for your kind information, you can also save your PDF, splitted PDF documents onto your Google Drive or Dropbox, anywhere you like. So hope you guys found this video useful, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, just go ahead and make sure to subscribe now. Thank you so much, and have a great day.